In global trade, every shipment tells a story of responsibility, risk, cost, and control. But behind every successful shipment lies a simple question: who does what, and when? This is where Incoterms come in. They are the silent language of international commerce, guiding buyers and sellers across borders, oceans, and supply chains. So, what are Incoterms? Incoterms, short for International Commercial Terms, are a set of standardized trade rules published by the International Chamber of Commerce. They define the responsibilities of buyers and sellers in international transactions, answering critical questions such as who arranges transportation, who pays for freight, who handles insurance, where the risk transfers from seller to buyer. In other words, Incoterms remove ambiguity. They ensure that whether you're shipping from Shanghai to Riyadh or from Dubai to London, both parties speak the same operational language. So, why are Incoterms important? In procurement and supply chain, misunderstandings cost money, sometimes millions. Incoterms help organizations avoid disputes, reduce hidden costs, clarify risk ownership, improve contract accuracy, strengthen supplier relationships. They are not just shipping terms, they are risk management tools that protect your organization's interests. So, what is the latest version of Incoterms? The most current and globally recognized version is Incoterms Registered Trademark 2020. Despite rumors of updates, no newer edition has replaced it. The next major revision is expected around 2030. Incoterms Registered Trademark 2020 includes 11 terms, grouped into rules for any mode of transport and rules for sea/inland waterway transport. These are the terms you'll explore in your upcoming video series. So, how are Incoterms implemented? Implementing Incoterms correctly requires more than just selecting a term. It involves embedding the chosen term in contracts and purchase orders, aligning it with logistics, finance, and insurance teams, ensuring suppliers and freight forwarders understand the agreed responsibilities, training procurement teams to choose the right term for the right scenario. A well-implemented Incoterm becomes a strategic advantage, not just a shipping instruction. Where are Incoterms used? Incoterms appear in purchase orders, sales contracts, shipping documents, quotations and tenders, supplier agreements, letters of credit, anywhere goods move across borders. Incoterms are present, shaping cost, risk, and operational clarity. In this series, we'll break down all 11 Incoterms, one by one, so you can choose the right term with confidence, avoid costly mistakes, and elevate your procurement decision-making.